take this AC filter out and I clean this. Now it's clean. I wash this filter. Keep it back. So now I'm going to mop the floor. I used a floral disinfectant and I put a little bit salt because to bring some good energy to the house. So it's always better if you are planning to mop the floor, you can use a little bit salt. You can just add into the water. I'm going to clean this baskets. This is used for kitchen, bathroom and for my bedroom. So I'm going to wash this. So this also once in a month I just wash it. So this is deep cleansing episode, so I have to show you everything. I'm just using some washing powder and going to clean it. For these things I use a separate sponge always. Keep it separately. I use some washing powder. I'm going to clean it. Washing these baskets, I just pour some Dettol. Now I'm going to put covers for these baskets. Finally finished cleaning the bathroom and I bought this new shower curtain and matching to the shower curtain I bought this soap dispenser and toothbrush holder. That's for my son. See, soap dish and of course a matching towel also, just for a change. I just wanted, it's been very long since I made some changes. That's for the bathroom change which I implemented. Now I'm going to change the bed sheet. So now I changed my bed sheet, put clean and fresh blankets, pillowcases, everything is good to go. There's a slight change which you can find there. I bought those hanging plants from IKEA just for a change, and my bedside table also I just bought this showpiece and cute teddy bear there. Just a small change. My bedside table, that's it. Thing which I bought to keep next to my dressing table is this full length mirror. You can see this is a beautiful one. So finally a solution to all my handbags. So this is why I bought this stand. And here I placed the stand to arrange all the liquid detergent, comfort, everything. So this is another organizing technique which I used here next to my washing machine. Here I told you before, this is my ironing board which I kept here. So when required I just use it and fold it back and keep it here. So I saved that space also. That's it.